Namaste friends, myself Dr. Joby George. I'm a senior Ayurveda consultant and today's video is on simple recipes that any COVID positive patient can take. It is easily digestible. It is known in some families also, but still I'm making this video because when I consult and tell about the diet routines, some of them it is difficult for them to understand because certain ingredients you should add, you should not add. So for their better understanding, because some of them, because of the language difference, culture difference, and because of some of them are staying alone, so this video will be a help to them. Both of my recipes that I am showing today are made with rice, but you can also make it with wheat or broken wheat if you are diabetic. And what happens is if you take poha or if you take rava, idli, dosa, these all things are heavy for the stomach. And when you are having fever or any digestive issues, loose motions, appetite problems, smell problem, then these food is difficult for the patients to eat. So we always suggest that you take light and digestible food. So to understand what is light and digestible, I will give you the recipes you can easily make it. So the first recipe that I am showing today, it is called the kanni or the kanji in South India, or it's the rice porridge, or it is called the pakhal. I always suggest that you take it the fresh one and not the old fermented one. So in this, it is for those who have diabetes, they can take either millet kanji or they can take wheat kanji, broken wheat kanji also. And to this recipe, I have added raw onions, that is shallots or small onions, which is also known as the sambar onion. Now we know that onions have very good properties, medicinal properties to reduce heat. So when you have fever also, even during summer season, to reduce the body heat, North Indians take raw onion with the food. So in this kanji, I have smashed the small onions raw and have added little salt and a little coconut oil, just 2-3 drops. For those who don't like raw onions or coconut oil, you can take it plain. And coconut oil, we all know, has very good antimicrobial properties and it helps in digestion also. So when you are having fever or any appetite issues, any smell issues, this kanji helps to give you more energy, because we don't have the taste when we get fever, we don't feel like eating. So this gets easily absorbed into the body. Even for small babies, you can crush the raw onions and you can remove them and then nicely smash the rice and give them. So this is the kanji that you can see with just salt, nothing else in it. And you know that the water that we throw out after cooking the rice has so much rich vitamins and minerals in it. And those who like raw onions, you can nicely crush in the raw onion, or if you like raw, you can just bite along with the kanji. Crushing in gives it more essence to the liquid, more than just cutting and putting. And this you can mix in the rice, and along with it, we know this onion has sulfur, organic sulfur in it, which is a very good antiviral, and it freshens the mouth, it reduces the heat also. So along with it, I'm just putting few drops of coconut oil. For those who are used to coconut oil, this gives another flavor and it increases the taste in the mouth. As I said, coconut oil also has
very good antimicrobial properties.
With this kanji, you can take a side curry or just a dry fry curry with simple vegetables that can easily digest. So don't take vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower and lady's finger, potato. So those things don't digest easily. Instead take vegetables like carrot, beans, beetroot. So these vegetables you can take it even 3 times, 4 times. Just don't put too much of masala or anything raw. You can put little raw chilies and just saute it with a little bit of oil, or you can even make it you can just steam them and add a little say lemon, or you can add the black pepper or dry ginger powder or salt. So these things will help to digest faster. And today's second recipe is the khichdi that is very well known in North India, or you can just in simple say simple vegetable biryani. I won't say biryani exactly, but a simple diet that is easily digestible. For that also I have used carrot, beans and small onions, and I have not put any much masala, just a little bit of haldi or turmeric with jeera. You can add a little salt for taste. If you prefer or if you like, you can take black pepper or you can add a little green chili to it. And the rice that I have taken is again the broken red rice. I will try to show it. I don't know if it will be visible. This is the broken red rice.
So this is the khichdi. You can see the lovely orange color and the green color. You can add also some coriander leaves or some mint leaves for good taste. And this is really very easily digestible. For any sick person, you can make such type of khichdis.
So I hope you liked this video and it was really informative. See, it is so simple to make at home. Just see that you don't saute with any other too much of oil or any masalas, because body is weak at that time and it needs to easily digest to get that good carbohydrate and energy. And once your fever is reduced, you start getting the appetite and the taste, you can start adding a little ghee to it. That will help you to give back your energy and your body power. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the next few recipes that I will be coming up with. Thank you.